Do you love capturing stunning moments behind the lens, but wonder if your passion for photography could ever pay the bills? What if I told you that hobby of yours could be your next big hustle? Photography isn't just about snapping pictures. It's a powerful skill that can open doors to countless opportunities. In today's video, we're diving deep into how you can turn your love for photography into a profitable business. Whether you're into portraits, landscapes, or product shots, there's a way to make it work for you. We'll cover everything from finding your niche and building a killer portfolio to discovering creative ways to monetize your skills. And make sure to stick around, because I'll be sharing practical tips to help you get started right away. Before we dive in, don't forget to like this video, hit that subscribe button, and let me know in the comments, what's your favorite thing to photograph? Now, let's turn your passion into profit. Step 1. Discovering your photography niche. Have you ever heard the saying, if you try to please everyone, you end up pleasing no one? The same applies to photography. The key to turning your passion into a thriving hustle is finding your niche, a specific area of photography that not only excites you, but also resonates with the right clients. Choosing a niche allows you to stand out in a crowded market, showcase your unique style, and attract people who value what you offer. Think about it this way. A couple planning their wedding won't hire a wildlife photographer. Similarly, a business needing product shots won't call a wedding photographer. By narrowing your focus, you position yourself as an expert in that area, making it easier for clients to choose you over the competition. Take wedding photography, for example. It's a high-demand niche, perfect if you love capturing emotions and storytelling through your lens. Or maybe you're into details and composition. Product photography for e-commerce brands could be your calling. And for those who crave adventure, travel photography might be the perfect excuse to explore the world while earning an income. The possibilities are endless, but they all start with identifying what lights you up. When I first started, I was all over the place, shooting landscapes one day and taking portraits the next. It was exciting but exhausting because I didn't have a clear direction. Then, one day, a friend asked me to photograph their small business products. I loved the challenge of bringing each item to life through my lens, and that's when it clicked. Product photography was my thing. Specializing not only made my work more fulfilling, but also helped me attract a steady stream of clients in that space. Even the most successful photographers start somewhere. I know a photographer who began shooting family portraits as a hobby. She loved capturing candid moments and over time built a portfolio that landed her high-profile gigs in event photography. The point is, your niche often finds you. It's about paying attention to what excites you and where the opportunities lie. So what about you? Is there a type of photography you already love or an area you'd like to explore? Start experimenting. And before you know it, you'll discover the perfect niche to turn your passion into profit. Once you've discovered your niche, the next step is building a portfolio, a visual resume that showcases your skills, style, and expertise. Think of your portfolio as your ultimate sales pitch. It's the first thing potential clients will look at, and it has the power to either win them over or send them looking elsewhere. A strong portfolio doesn't just show that you're a photographer, it shows you're the right photographer for the job. Starting out can feel overwhelming, especially if you don't have a lot of work to show. But here's a little secret. You don't need to wait for paid gigs to build an impressive collection. Reach out to friends, family, or even local businesses and offer to shoot for free or at a discount in exchange for permission to use the images in your portfolio. For example, if you're leaning toward product photography, approach a small business owner and offer to photograph their merchandise. Not only will this give you valuable experience, but it will also help you build connections in your niche. When I was just starting out, I created a mini project for myself. I offered free portrait sessions to a few friends and their families. It was a win-win. I got to practice working with clients, and they walked away with professional quality photos. Those early shoots gave me enough material to create a cohesive portfolio that reflected my style and capabilities, helping me attract paying clients down the line. Step 2. Building a portfolio. Once you've gathered a collection of work, it's time to showcase it professionally. An online portfolio is non-negotiable in today's digital age. Platforms like Instagram are great for engaging with a broader audience and sharing your best shots, while Squarespace or your own website allows you to present your work in a polished, organized way. Remember, your portfolio should tell a story. Curate it carefully to highlight your niche and show a variety of styles within that area. For example, a wedding photographer might include shots of intimate ceremonies, vibrant receptions, and even creative bridal portraits. A product photographer, on the other hand, could showcase everything from clean white background shots to lifestyle images that bring the product to life. Including this variety gives clients confidence in your versatility while reinforcing your expertise. Your portfolio is a living, breathing project. Keep updating it as you grow, refining it to align with your niche and target audience. With every new project, you're not just adding images, you're building your reputation as a professional photographer. So start small, stay consistent, and watch as your portfolio becomes the gateway to turning your photography passion into a thriving hustle. Step 3. Monetizing your photography skills. Now that you've built an eye-catching portfolio, it's time to turn those images into income streams. Photography isn't just about capturing capturing moments. It's about leveraging your skills to create value. Whether you prefer working with clients, selling your art, or teaching your craft, there's no shortage of ways to monetize your photography passion. One of the most direct ways to earn is through freelance photography jobs. Offering services for events, portraits, or weddings can be a lucrative start. These gigs often come with a personal connection to your clients, making them a rewarding way to grow your reputation. For example, event photography can help you network with local businesses or individuals, while portrait sessions can lead to word-of-mouth referrals. Platforms like Upwork and Fiverr are excellent for finding freelance jobs when you're just getting started, as they connect you with clients who are actively seeking photographers. If you'd rather let your photos work for you passively, consider selling stock photos. Websites like Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, and iStock allow photographers to upload their images and earn royalties whenever they're downloaded. It's a great option for those who enjoy creating diverse, high-quality content. Think about the types of images businesses and designers need most: lifestyle photos, nature shots, cityscapes, or abstract textures. Uploading regularly and focusing on trends can help you build a steady stream of income. For those with a knack for teaching, sharing your expertise can be incredibly rewarding. If you've mastered specific techniques or styles, why not create an online course or host workshops? Platforms like Skillshare and Teachable make it easy to package your knowledge into lessons for aspiring photographers. Or, if you prefer a more interactive approach, you could even host local photography walks or one-on-one mentoring sessions. Teaching not only helps others, but also positions you as an authority in your niche, opening doors to further opportunities. Another creative route is selling prints and products. If you love the idea of seeing your work on walls or merchandise, consider offering physical prints or licensing your images for products like calendars, postcards, or canvases. Websites like Etsy or Printful can help you set up shop quickly, while platforms like Society6 handle the production and shipping for you. This is a great way to reach art enthusiasts who may not need photography services but admire your work. Finally, let's not forget affiliate marketing, a strategy that pairs well with a strong online presence. If you're passionate about photography gear, consider reviewing cameras, lenses, or accessories on platforms like YouTube or a personal blog. By including affiliate links, you can earn a commission whenever someone purchases through your recommendations. This approach works best when you genuinely believe in the products you're promoting, as authenticity builds trust with your audience. Each of these paths offers a unique way to turn your passion into profit, and the beauty is that you don't have to choose just one. You can mix and match to create a diversified income stream. The key is starting small, experimenting, and refining your approach as you learn what works best for you. So, which of these ideas excites you the most? Let's keep going and explore how to market your newfound hustle. Step 4. Scaling your photography hustle. Once you've found your footing in the photography world, it's time to think bigger. Scaling your hustle is about transforming your photography from a side gig into a thriving business that reaches more clients, generates more income, and gives you room to focus on what you love most: capturing stunning images. The first step in scaling is building a recognizable brand. A strong brand is more than just a name or a logo. It's the story and experience you create for your clients. Start by designing a logo and selecting a color scheme that reflects your style and niche. For instance, a wedding photographer might opt for soft pastels and elegant fonts, while a commercial product photographer might go for clean lines and bold colors. Pair this with a consistent style in your photography, and you'll create a brand that's not only memorable, but also trusted. Think about it. When clients can immediately identify your work, they're more likely to recommend you or come back for repeat business. As your workload increases, you'll quickly realize you can't do everything yourself, and that's a good problem to have. Outsourcing and hiring help can free up your time to focus on your craft while maintaining the quality your clients expect. Start small by outsourcing time-consuming tasks like photo editing. Platforms like Fiverr or hiring a dedicated virtual assistant can lighten the load. And for bigger projects, consider hiring a second shooter or an assistant to help with logistics during shoots. I remember my first wedding job. It was overwhelming to juggle candid moments, formal portraits, and client requests all at once. Bringing on an assistant for my next gig made the process smoother and let me focus on capturing the magic. Scaling also means exploring opportunities to expand your services. Diversifying your offerings not only boosts your income potential, but also keeps your work dynamic and exciting. For instance, if you're already capturing still photos, why not branch into video? Many clients, like couples or businesses, often need both services, and offering a package deal could set you apart. Or perhaps you enjoy the post-production process. Offering photo editing as a standalone service could attract other photographers looking for help. And if you've built up expertise in your niche, mentoring or teaching others could be another rewarding way to grow. Imagine hosting workshops to help aspiring photographers, or even creating presets for popular editing software to sell online. Scaling your hustle is about working smarter, not harder. By building a brand, finding the right help, and diversifying your services, you'll not only grow your business, but also create more time to focus focus on your passion. So, what's the next step you're ready to take to scale your photography hustle? Let's keep pushing forward to turn your vision into reality. Overcoming common challenges. Every photography journey comes with its fair share of hurdles, but overcoming them is what turns a hobbyist into a true professional. Whether it's dealing with rejection, figuring out pricing, or managing the business side of things, the key is to approach each challenge as an opportunity to grow. Let's start with one of the toughest realities: dealing with rejection. Not every client will choose you, and not every photo will receive glowing praise. It's important to remember that rejection isn't a reflection of your worth as a photographer. It's often just about fit. I'll never forget one of my first client meetings where I poured my heart into pitching my ideas, only to be told they were looking for a completely different style. It stung, but instead of dwelling on it, I asked for feedback and used it to refine my approach. Stay motivated by focusing on the clients who do see your value, and use rejection as a stepping stone to improve. Another common challenge is pricing your work. It's tempting to undervalue yourself, especially when you're starting out. But remember, your time, skills, and equipment have worth. Consider factors like how long the shoot will take, the time needed for editing, your level of experience, and the cost of maintaining your gear. A great starting point is to research what others in your niche charge. Then tailor your rates to match your expertise in the local market. Don't be afraid to increase your prices as your skills and demand grow. Think of pricing as a reflection of the quality you bring, not just a number. Now, let's talk about managing time and finances, a challenge that every solopreneur faces. Balancing your creative work with the administrative side of running a business can be tricky. Tools like scheduling apps and client management software can help you stay organized, while templates for contracts and invoices save time and ensure professionalism. When it comes to finances, setting aside money for taxes, tracking expenses, and keeping detailed records are non-negotiable. If numbers aren't your thing, hiring an accountant or using finance software like QuickBooks can take a huge weight off your shoulders. And don't forget to carve out time for yourself. Burnout is real, and staying refreshed is crucial to producing your best work. Each of these challenges might seem daunting at first, but they're all part of the journey. Remember, every rejection is a chance to learn. Every pricing adjustment gets you closer to understanding your value, and every step toward better organization makes you a stronger business owner. So embrace the bumps along the way. They're proof that you're growing, and every challenge you overcome brings you closer to your goals. What's one challenge you're ready to tackle head on? Let's take it on together and keep building your dream photography hustle. Let's take a moment to recap the incredible journey we've covered today. From discovering your unique photography niche to building a standout portfolio, monetizing your skills, scaling your hustle, and tackling common challenges, each step brings you closer to turning your passion into a thriving business. It all starts with that first decision to take your photography hobby seriously and believe in the value you bring to the table. So why wait? The best time to start is now. Whether it's capturing the magic of weddings, snapping stunning product shots, or exploring the world through your lens, there's a market out there waiting for your creativity. Share in the comments what type of photography excites you most and how you plan to turn it into a source of income. Let's inspire and support each other as we take the next step. And remember, your passion for photography isn't just a pastime, it's a doorway to something greater. With dedication and perseverance, it has the potential to change your life. Start today and see just how far your creativity and hustle can take you. Keep shooting, keep dreaming, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tips and inspiration. You've got this.